The Boeing 737 MAX 7 has finally been cleared for commercial service, more than 8 years after the smallest member of the 737 MAX family first took to the skies. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, granted Boeing an amended type certificate for the aircraft on Monday, August 3rd, bringing one of the manufacturer's longest-running certification programs to an end. The regulator has also added the 737-7 to Boeing's production certificate, allowing the company to manufacture the aircraft under its approved production system. Let's look at the details of this significant move for today's video. Despite having achieved certification, it will not result in an immediate entry into service for the 737 MAX 7. Indeed, such a move will still take some time, as Boeing said in a media statement that it and launch customer Southwest Airlines are preparing the first aircraft for delivery, including bringing already built jets up to the final certified configuration. Boeing continues to anticipate the first MAX 7 delivery in 2027, while Southwest has said it will need approximately 6 months after certification to add the aircraft to its operating specifications, manuals, training programs, and maintenance procedures. The FAA's approval follows a test program that began in 2018 and included more than 1,000 hours of flight and ground testing, extensive system safety analysis, and additional human factors reviews. Boeing said the process also required the certification of a redesigned engine anti-ice system intended to address a potential condition discovered during flight testing. Stephanie Pope, president and CEO of Boeing Commercial Airplanes, said the certification, quote, validates the rigor of our airplane's design, adding, our team of dedicated engineers and test experts worked through challenges, an extended pandemic, and the transition to new certification processes. Through it all, our team stayed focused on completing all requirements and delivering a safe and more capable airplane to our customers. The first 737 MAX 7 flew in March 2018, when Boeing expected the type to enter service with Southwest early the following year. Instead, its development was interrupted by the worldwide MAX grounding after the 2 fatal crashes, and this was followed by the COVID-19 pandemic, tougher regulatory requirements, and subsequent scrutiny of Boeing's manufacturing and quality systems, particularly after the Alaska Airlines door plug incident. The company had at one point expected certification before the end of 2022, making the eventual approval almost 4 years later than that revised target. No airline has more riding on the aircraft than Southwest. The Dallas-based carrier has approximately 258 MAX 7 airframes on firm order, although that number has fluctuated and likely will change further, as Southwest has repeatedly adjusted its MAX 7 and MAX 8 orders. The aircraft is intended to replace Southwest's large fleet of aging 737-700s while preserving the airline's long-standing strategy of operating only Boeing 737 family aircraft. So, are you looking forward to the smallest member of the 737 MAX family entering service? Let us know by leaving a comment. And be sure to check out Simple Flying's flight tracker. From live alerts and data on commercial, military, and government flights, it goes way beyond your standard tracker. It was built specifically for AvGeeks, free and live, right at your fingertips. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.